Okay, now let us see applications of solving simultaneous equations. Here, we are going to see the contest you to solve simultaneous equations indirectly. Let us see this question. The cost of 1 pen and 2 pens, and 2 pencils is shillings 900. And the cost of 3 pens and 4 pencils is shillings 2,300. Find the cost of each pen and each pencil. So here they are listing these solves simultaneous equations. So what you do, you say let x be for what? For pens, and y be for pencils. Now let me look at the cost of 1 pen. So x and 2 pencils and 2 y, the pencils, is 900 shillings. So that's how you start. You first remove the information from the question. Then you come the cost of 3 pens and 4 pencils. They are giving now the cost of 3 pens. Now they are giving the cost of 3 pens. Remember our pens is 3. So the cost of 3 pens plus 4 pencils. Our pencils are y. 4 pencils is 2,300. Find the cost of each. Now it's we have two simultaneous equations which we are going to solve, and we get the value of each. Now from here there are 2 ways. Either you make the subject this the subject, or you solve them the way we solve them simultaneously. Now if I'm solving these two simultaneously, decide to multiply here with the 3. So multiply so that I eliminate x. So I'm going to eliminate x. Eliminate x. So if I'm going to eliminate x, I multiply here with the 3, and I multiply here with 1. So 3 in the equation, 900. Then in this one, I multiply with the coefficient. Now, you say you get this coefficient multiplied here and the coefficient there multiplied there, and then you solve simultaneous. So now press this, I get 3x plus 6y equaling to 2,700. Then 1 times this 3x or y equaling to 2300. Why? We said before you eliminate x, the coefficient should be the same. And said if the signs are the same, positive, we subtract. So then I subtract here. So then I have 3x minus 3x, which is 0. 6x minus 4, 6y minus 4y give me 2y equaling to 2,700 minus 2,300. You see that we are getting 400. So if we divide by it, see that our y is 200 shillings. Now the cost of each pencil is 200. What about y? Now here you can substitute anyway. So you see that from x plus 2y equaling to 900. So that my x, I have my y. So my x will be 900 minus 2y. So x will be 900 minus 2. My y is 200. And you see my x will be 900 minus 400. Now this will be 500 shillings. And this is also shillings. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen, each pen costs, each pen is x, so it costs 500 shillings, and each pencil costs 200 shillings. As simple as that. When you got this now, telling us that the sides of an equilateral triangle are this, and this. Now, when they say equilateral triangle, it means all sides are equal. You illustrate that our equilateral triangle, so our solution, they are testing you to know if you to see if you know some properties. An equilateral triangle is saying all sides are equal. So the sides of this equilateral triangle, they are telling us that the first is 3x plus 1. The second is y plus 2. And then the third is 2y plus 3x. It means that now this is going to be equal to this, and this is going to be equal to this. So these equatorial triangles are equal. It means that this will be equal to this, this will be equal to this, this will be equal to this, and so on. So meaning, now my 3x plus y is equal to y plus 2. Can we form equations here? Take y this sides, you see you have 3x minus y equal to 2 minus 1. So you have 3x minus y equal to 1. This one is equation 1. So use any other you want of your choice. You can say this is equal to this. By the way, when you say this is equal to this, so that will be solving it properly. Then the other one I'm going to say this is equal to this, this is equal to this. So 2y plus 3x is equal to 3x plus 1. So take everything, take this side. You have now 2y plus 3x minus 3x equal to 1. So that I have 2y equal to 1, and my y is half. So if you have your half, you can come here and get it. Or the other way, you can just equate this and this. It's up to you. When I started here, I can just eliminate the x. So come in here and say this is now your 2. Then you come here and say put 2 in 1. So 1 is 3x equal to 1. I know that my y is a half, so I have 3x minus a half equal to 1. Take this side, we have 3x equal to 1 plus a half. So that this will be 3x equal to 2. When you add, you get 3 over 2. And so that your x will be a half also. So if we have x as a half, we have all the values now. So that's it. X is a half, y is a half. As simple as that. Anyway, or you would have equated this to this, you would have generated the simultaneous equation, then you would have solved it with this as you've seen. Let us go to this. The consecutive sides of a rectangle, so we'll pick out our rectangle. So this is our rectangle here. And we are looking at that. The consecutive sides of a rectangle are, if I start with this one, I have now 3x minus 2y. Consecutively, then this one is the next side. This is the next side. And then this is the next side. 2y plus 3x. Consecutive means you go in that order. When I finish this, I go to this, to this, as simple as that. But you know that opposite sides of a triangle are equal, then this would be equal to that. Simple as that. So they are testing you. You know that opposite sides of a triangle, of a rectangle are equal. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. You equate them and you get those two simultaneous equations. So if I get this equal to this, not 3x minus 2y is equal to 2x plus y. Take everything this side, you'll be adding now 3x minus 2x equal to 2. Now this side you have, okay, when I take this side I have y plus, when I take this side, 3y. So this will give me x equal to 2. When I take this side, sorry, this is 2. Sorry, that is 2y. When I take this side, I'll be adding 2y. Negative, positive, comes positive equal to 3y. So, this one you call it equation 1. Then another one, you see that this is equal to this, we have finished. Now this is equal to this. You see that 2y plus 3x is equal to now 4x minus 1. So bring everything this side. So you have now my 2y plus 3x minus 4x equal to negative 1. So here you have 2y minus x equal to negative 1 for this equation 2. Then you can say put this into this. So put equation 1 in equation 2. Our 2 is negative 1. Now I'm putting my x is this, I have 2y, then minus, where there is x, I put 3y equal to negative 1. So this will be 2y and then 3y equal to negative 1. So this will give me negative y equal to negative 1. Divided by negative 1, my y will be 1. So if I have my y as 1, and my x is equal to 3y from equation 1. So my x will be now 3 into 1, which will be 3. So my x is 3. They are telling us that hence find the area. So already we need to get the length. So I come here and I get my length. My length, you take any. Either take this or this, it's up to you. So the take is 2x plus y, which will be now, we substitute. Okay, this will be 2 into 3, the x value, then plus y, which is 1. This will be 6, and see this will be 7. Then the width, you take either this or this. So 4x minus 1, which will be 4 into 3 minus 1. This will be 12 minus 1, which will be 11. These were centimeters. Also these are centimeters. Then my area, it's given my length times width, which will be 7 times 11. So this will be 7 centimeters square. So you see that here, of course the width without being our length, but just because you need to know what is the width, what is the length. Anyway, so that's it, members. That's how we apply the knowledge of solving simultaneous equations. Even if in the equations that you don't get this, you just get this side and then you solve them either using elimination or substitution or matrix method. You can go for a graph. But it's better always to use elimination or substitution. I will see you when.